How to change language in the Iqiyi app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change language on the Iqiyi app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Iqiyi app. Now here go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Now here you will see the language option. Tap on it and select the language you want. Now go back. If you want to translate subtitles of episode, tap on subtitle translation. Now here play the show of which you want to translate the subtitle. The subtitles will be automatically translated of which language you have selected. We have selected English, so the subtitles are translated to English. So this is how you can change language in the Iqiyi app. Thanks for watching.